Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ruth Anoluwapo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm sharing, or we are making something easy in 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. Today we are making the Nigerian buns, the popular Nigerian buns, with a twist today. Without no further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'll be introducing you to my ingredients. We'll be using, I have my measured flour here, I have my measured sugar, I have my baking powder, I have my nutmeg, I have my butter, I have my egg, I have my flavor, and I have my water here. So into my empty and dry bowl, I'll be adding my flour, I'll be adding my sugar, I'll be adding my baking powder, I'll be adding my nutmeg, I'll be adding my butter. Don't worry, my hands are clean. And please do well to check the description box for all the measurement of ingredients I'll be using here. And lastly, I'll be adding my salt. So it's just a pinch of salt, and I'll give that a good mix to form a sand-like texture. I want to work my butter and every other ingredient together. So I'll be cracking my eggs into this bowl or into this plastic, and I'll be pouring it at the center. Or there are two ways to do this. You can either pour this into this bowl and add some water, some clean water, and you mix that up together. You mix it up together just for the egg and water to be evenly distributed and well incorporated together. And gradually you add that. You create a well, then you mix that up. So you mix that up to form a fine, smooth texture. So as you can see, it's looking thicker than the consistency I would like to work with. So I'll just be adding a tiny quantity of water, a little water, just for it to be able to incorporate everything together. So you can still take it a step further from here by adding additional water if you want a runny texture. So the consistency of your batter will determine the outcome when you are done frying. Either it will be a rock buns or a soft buns. So if you want it to be softer, if you want a very, very soft buns, you can still take it a step further by adding additional water. Look at it. So by the time we just drop this in the oil, it will form well. But you can let me take it a step further by adding a little water. Please do well to check the description box because I'll be putting all the measurements I used in this video down in the description box. And do well, if you are just new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and do well to give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel to grow. Look at that. The little water I added, look at the effect it's having. Look at how creamy it look at how fluffy and how lush it looks. To add a flavor, just a little, this enough, and I'll just mix that in for it to be well incorporated. So like I said, there are various ways of making your buns. You can either let it rest after mixing, after adding all the ingredients for a while, so that the sugar and all the other ingredients will be well incorporated, and you can either fry immediately after that. So at this point, I'm done mixing. I'll be dividing my batter into two. So like I said in the beginning of the video, it's just our Nigerian buns with a twist. So into this batter, I'll be adding a little brownie to give me that chocolate effect. Just a little quantity because I don't want the brownie to overpower everything. So that's enough. So I'll mix that up together for even distribution. Look at that, it's giving that marble effect. You can either mix it all in together, or you just leave it like this to have that marble like effect. This is going to be so yummy, trust me. So we can leave it like this to have that marble effect. So this is a perfect option if you want to create something unique for your client for sales, just to add a little twist to it, that twist of uniqueness. Look at that, look at how lush this batter is. So in our dry pot, we'll be adding our vegetable oil, and we'll let that be very hot, because we don't want our batter to sit. We want it to pop up immediately we add it into the oil and so our oil is not ready, but I've added a little bit of onions into it. You can see it. That means the reason why it hasn't popped up is because the oil is not yet hot enough for it to receive anything. By the time it's hot enough, the onions will pop up. Can you see? So now our onions is now floating, which shows our oil is ready to receive our batter. Without no further ado, let's get started. So I'll just be cutting it a little at a time. Look at it. Look at that. We will repeat the same process until we are done. Look at that is floating. It shows the underneath that was on that I dropped in the oil. That place is well cooked. That's why it's floating. So by the time everything is well cooked, it will float on its own. So for our chocolate buns, or because the color might be deceiving and you may not know when it is ready, so this is the simple way to test if it is ready. Get a skewer. Here is a skewer, then just insert it into the middle of one bun. So far it comes out clean without any butter on it. That means your buns is ready to come out of the oil. So in that case, my buns is ready to come out of the oil. I'll be bringing this out of the oil and be setting it in my sieve. Up next, we'll be going on to the frying process of our regular Nigerian buns. So make sure you don't cut it too big if you want to enjoy the tiny version. So just a little at a time, a little at a time, a little at a time, because when you get to the oil, it will still expand in size, except you want to make the jumbo size of buns. If you want to make the very big size, you can cut it big, but if you want the one that you can just bite in, you can just finish in 2 bites, just make sure you cut it very small. So welcome back. See our Nigerian buns. See the color, see it's golden brown. Now it's time for us to bring it out of the oil. In case you are not sure, let me insert my skewer into one so you can see. See, my skewer comes out. My skewer comes out clean. It shows it's ready to come out of the oil. Except you want it to be brown or burnt. You want the burnt flavor in it. If you don't want that, it is ready to get out of the oil. So now, up next, we'll be making the marble version I talked about. Look at it. We have the regular without the brownie, and we have the brownie. So I'll just give that a little mix together, and I'll fry that. I'll give that a little mix together. I'll just be cutting it at the center just to have that marble-like effect. Then I'll drop it into my oil. I repeat the same process until I exhaust my batter. If in case you've not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Because please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. So now we are making the marble-like effect of our popular Nigerian buns. Look at how juicy and yummy this is looking already. So my friend, see, our marble buns is ready. So I'm inserting a skewer into one of the buns just to show you it is ready. Look at it. It comes out clean. It shows our buns is ready to be taken out of the oil. So do you enjoy this video? Would you be trying out this recipe? Do well to drop me a comment in the comment section. I will be there to respond to you. In a moment, I'll be showing you the end result of all our Nigerian buns 3-in-1 flavor with it. So my friend, here is the end result of our 3-in-1 Nigerian buns with a twist. So here is our marble buns. Look at that. Look at the effect. Look at the marble effect. So here is our regular Nigerian buns. Look at how soft it is and fluffy it is. And look at our chocolate buns. Look at it. Look at how fluffy it looks. So would you be trying out this recipe? Please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Till we meet again in my next. Bye for now.